Good morning, my dear student. Today I will discuss the new lessons matrix. It is the very important and very simple lessons and NCERT lesson 3rd. So matrix is the process of arrangement any rectangle or squares of any numbers. Suppose in previous class you arrange so many numbers in a rectangle or any square, and this arrangement is called matrix. So my dear students, look here, we have to discuss in this class matrix. So A is the matrix, and this matrix is denoted by Aij. It is the matrix and it is the matrix sign, and it is called order. It is the row and it is the column. First element is row and second element is column, and it is the matrix. So my dear students, the matrix is denoted by this sign using like this, and it is the matrix sign A, B, C, D. So it is the 2 cross 2 matrix because here it is the row. It is the row R2 and it is the column C1, it is the column C2. So these are the column C1 and C2 and row R1 and R2. So my students, so I think you understand, it is the 2 cross 2 matrix. It is the 2 cross 2 matrix because it has the row 2 and column 2. That is why it is a 2 cross 2 matrix. So matrix is denoted by this sign, and using this sign denoted the matrix. So look my dear students, so first element is row and second element is what? Column. So next, suppose you are given a matrix A, it is a given a matrix A whose Iaj is given by, suppose it is a matrix of, you have to construct 2 cross 3 matrix, then you have to write like this: row 2, row 1, row 2, and column 3, 1, column 1, 2, column 1, 3. Next 1, next row 2, 2, and row 2, 3. So first element is row and second element is column. First row, second column, first row, second column. So it is the first row. It is the first row and it is the second row, and it is the column, first column, and it is second column, or it is third column. So you have to write like this: first is row, first row, look first. It is the second row, second row, second row, and first, that is the element. These are all elements. So it is the first row, second row, and it is the column, first column, second column, third column. So all the elements are represented by this, and it is the matrix, and it is the 2 cross 3 matrix because it is 2 row. It is the row and it is also row, and 3 column, first, second, third. So my students, I think you understand the column and row. Again, suppose you have to given a matrix. Suppose the question is given, you have constructed a matrix whose Ij element is given by I plus j. Construct 2 cross 3 matrix. Then at first you have to form like this: 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, like this. That is the 2 cross 3 matrix. It is the 2 cross 3 matrix. Now all the elements you have to find using this identity, because it is given a identity whose ith row and jth column is given using this. Now A 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1, 2. Then when you add, then you get how much? 3. All the elements you have to write like this: 1, 3, you get how much? 4, any identity it may be have. So using that is, you submit just all the value in these equations and you find, and you just submit here. This value is 2, again this value is 3, and this value is 4. Again next, this value when you submit here, then you get 3 and 4 and again 5, and that is the your matrix. So my students, I think you understand how can you construct a matrix. So it is the 2 cross 3 matrix. Okay. Next question is given. Sum and difference. You have given a sum and difference of matrix. You have given the sum and difference of matrix. So look here. Suppose a given matrix is given by the A and is given by